Yo, what's up guys, SlimeTunes here, and today I'm here with another episode of Ahead in Time. Now I saw the recording of, I basically saw the results of recording this last time, which not much came out of it, which I am sad. I have tweaked with this a bit now, so hopefully by the time I upload this again, it works. We won't know until we get into of this. It shouldn't be too hard. As you guys see, I've played that. Now we have these two, which we are very close to. Well, not very close, but let's start with this one. Oh god. Okay, let's hope this recording works, because if it does not, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, wow.
Welcome to the first day of shooting, darling. We need to transform you into the biggest movie star the bird world has ever seen. You need to become a diva. That's why I'm
already a
called for a
witch.
press conference here on our moon set. You need to get out there in front of the camera. Once you've...
Right. Oh, hi! Oh, you. No. There's 7 people. I don't know if you've seen, but, I'm a witch. I don't think I need a diva. Oh. Hey. Oh, hi there. So cute! Oh, what's this? You.
You called, darling? Looks like it's endorsement time. All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing, guaranteed. Just look as she'll climb up this statue and rescue the poor puppy that has gotten stuck. Right, darling?
Okay. Oh, shit! No! Yeah. Fuck. Oh, I'm probably gonna fool myself. Yeah. Come on! Get the fucking... Yeah.
Look at that! She helped the puppy down, safe and sound. Too bad it ran off and definitely didn't break into multiple pieces. This is truly a diva. Make sure you join.
Ow, what the fuck are you? Yeah. Fuck off. Okay, real quick, give me... Okay, don't do that. Hold on. Real quick, give me that. Okay. Oh! Fuck you too! Hey, Beds. Oh?
You called, darling?
Oh, God.
Looks like it's endorsement time. All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing, guaranteed. Look at how street smart this diva is. She's standing in this sinister alleyway right next to some potential wrongdoers.
What? Even they're like, what?
Danger is her middle name, and she's not afraid to step outside of her comfort zone. Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Out.
Too cute. Oh, fuck, oh, what? Ow, I just cut my tuchus. Oh, darn, thank you. Oh, oh, that's so cute! That is so fucking adorable! What is this? Oh, shit. What is this? Hold on. What the fuck? Oh, fuck off! Okay. Mind explain this?
Wow! Thanks.
So fucking yo, jeez. Yeah. Oh hi. Oh, it's so fucking yeah. Oh no. Fuck off. Okay. Where do I go now? Seriously, where do I go? Oh, what? Oh, yawn. Thank you. Ooh, just the man I want to see right now.
Badges are total.
Oh, God, why? Screw it. No bonk badge. Wait, do I have that? Oh no, where'd I go? Oh! There's one of those things. No! Don't run me over.
You called, darling? Looks like it's endorsement time.
I just want that fish.
Now,
Good
darling,
sushi.
I have to mention this. Cooking show hosts have a terrible track record of getting angry and swearing on screen. Try not to use the P word, okay? Don't say P-E-C-K. The conductor is old-fashioned. He throws that word around a lot. It'll get him in trouble someday. Until then, let's keep our show clean. Hello, viewers! Even the biggest celebrities have to eat. And I've got with me the biggest celebrity of them all. Now tell us, darling, what kind of condiments do you like on your tuna sandwiches?
Nail.
Amazing! I bet that eating tuna sandwiches like that is probably how she keeps a slim figure. Take note, Penguin viewers. Make sure you join her fan club. DJ Grooves out.
Oh, Jesus. Max Diva.
The audience is going crazy, darling. Come over here and show off our new stunner. Our new prop.
AKA my God-controlling timepieces. Wait, not control. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, get your nose. Oh wait, hold on. I can get more. Oh, hi there. Oh, so fucking cute. Did you squeak? Hold on. Let me bounce on him. Let me bounce on him. Oh, it's so fucking cute. This game is just so fucking adorable. Oh shit, okay. Well then. Don't judge.
Oh, it is. I see. This is the kind of uncle's sister's maiden name I would expect from a fellow express owl.
Again, you're really sketchy.
Hello, fellow express owl. Do you care about security? I care about security a whole lot. You should not be going around telling information to strangers. It could be a I can help your daily life become more secure. What is your favorite combination of letters and numbers?
How about
see. I see. It's also my favorite combination of letters and numbers.
Fuck you is also my favorite combination. Nice. Oh, okay, well,
Did you notice that there's suddenly a lot of crows on this train? They all gone on at the last stop. Speaking of, at which stop did you get on the train? What do you mean you fell from the sky?
What do you mean? I'm a witch. Oh.
Did you know that having a pet helps improve self-confidence and relieve stress?
I did know that.
Did you also know that pets can have pets? It is true.
Okay, that part's a bit absurd. That's a little bit absurd.
Unfortunately, us express owls are not allowed to have pets. It is a sacrifice we must make in the name of hooting. But if you had a pet, what do you think the name of your pet's childhood pet would be?
Oh, it's actually kind of hard. I've had 3 pets, and all of them are cats. Because one of my cats is named Pitch. Pitch Black.
Have you noticed all these crows around the place? They keep asking for personal details, and I never know what to answer.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, hello, fellow express owl. I am stuck on an advanced mathematical and scientific issue.
That looks like one of those things you have to type in to prove that you're human.
Do you see this advanced formula on the blackboard? I cannot decipher it. Can you decipher the scientific formula for me? What does it say?
Oh, no. Oh, that's a C, not a 3, that's a C.
I see. The solution is... It was obvious. Thank you, fellow express owl. And thank you for agreeing to the terms and
Wait.
conditions on the backside of the...
Wait, what? Jesus! Hold on. Can I... No, don't take a photo. Can I actually read that? No, it's just Morse code.
Right, as he was about to see
Fucking
one
New
of his
York?
feathers.
Oh, you're a chaser. Nope. Right off.
It didn't even matter what he said anyway.
Oh,
Sorry on the way
there's a clip there.
It didn't even matter what he said anyway.
Look over here. What?
Wait! Don't come in here! I lost my contact lens somewhere. Please, don't step on it. I can't move out of the way. I might step on it myself.
Are you fucking serious? Wow. You're pulling a Paper Mario and a 1,000-year door on me. Really? Maybe not. Oh! Short-ass train. Can I just... Hold on. Can I just... take in that view? Oh, God. Oh. God, I don't like that. Alright, Prime solving outfit. Okay, not that view. Shit. I can't move. I'm so
Is this the kid with the hat? I hope you like my present.
Hi, Babadook. Jesus.
Go to the back of the train. Your uncle's sister will visit you.
They actually use it in the gameplay?
You better show your fam some love, or I'll be talking to a corpse next time.
Alright then. Your uncle's sister Monokuma. Oh. Oh. Oh, he is. Oh, he is dead. He is dead. Jesus.
Murder! On my Owl Express?
The fucking conductor has got to be one of my favorite characters.
I can't believe someone would murder one of the Express Owls.
I can't believe somebody murdered one of the Owl Express. Fuck, get
And I can't believe even more that it's your uncle's sister. What do you have to say for yourself? Ooh, you're giving me the quiet treatment, eh? That's what a murderer would do.
Fucking, how do you roll your R's that well? Holy shit.
Leave this case to us. We're Caw, the Crow Agent Watch. We've been monitoring everyone on this train since the last station. We'll be searching the entire train for evidence. No one is allowed to go outside of this wagon.
What? I can't even walk around in my own train? Oh, how dare ya!
Once the clock hits midnight, we'll get off at the station with the murderer in cuffs.
Midnight. So, it's daylight outside the window right now. How long is this gonna be?
Stay here while we investigate further.
1 hour? Why is it fucking daylight in the middle? I'm not seeing things, right? Like, it's daylight outside. Over here. Okay, don't hit. No, hold on. Let me try something real quick. Oh, oh god, time went by fast.
So you think you could just sneak around the train like this?
Yeah, you can.
Just drop the detective act. You'll never catch the real murderer. You can't point your finger at someone without clues. The clock is ticking.
Yeah, shut up. Oh, what's this? Oh, just my arm. There's a purpose for all this. Wait, hold on. Oh, fuck off. Alright. Yeet. The crows? The crows are now an available suspect. But why would the cop just... Why would the cops be a suspect? I'm kind of confused, but at the same time, there are some detective stories! Hold on. the Metal Gear all over again. Trade that. Trade that. Yep. There we go. Boom, yeah. So what's... Oh, you fucking twat. So we need to get them over there. Oh! The fuck? Oh, where are they? Oh god. Oh, time is ticking by really quickly. What is this? Oh, that's a thing. Got a relic. I'm trying to solve a crime case. This is not the type of collecting relics. There we go. Alright.
Even if there was a giant fire.
Here. I'll do this way anyway, but yeah, it wasn't here. There's a locked door on the other side of mine.
Right as he was about to sneeze, feathers.
So I think it's up there. Oh, probably. No! Fuck off. Fuck right off. Ooh! This... Okay, now I can get to there. Ow! What the fuck? God damn it, game. It's all over again. Oh! Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, here we are. Oh, wrong way. 30 hour minutes left. Ah. Sorry about that cough. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? These guys are really fucking sketchy. God, this Sorry.
You don't give up, do you?
Not really.
It seems the only way I can get rid of you is to make you run out of time.
Oh no.
So here's a fun time eater. Has found itself in an unusual situation. What are you going to do? Save it from becoming sawdust? Or figure out who the murderer is?
Got my throat. Fuck it, let's save it real quick. Nope! Fuck off. Wait a minute. Shouldn't even be lower. I feel like I'm supposed to do it just to get a clue on something. Anyway, shit. Go. Come on. Oh, they fall. Yeah, and now you lower it. The game. Actually.
Thank you, kind human, for saving me.
Really?
I found this clue on the murderer. Hope it helps you. Woof woof.
Gotcha!
Monokuma is now unavailable. Oh. Jesus Christ. That is good. That is rich. Oh. Oh, what the? Holy shit! You have all of this in a train? Really?
She said she was ashamed of her.
Really? It's a little creepy, but I mean, guys. Oh, fuck. Work. Oh, shit. I'm running out of time. Okay, so I'm using, I gotta use that over here. Oh, jeez. Alright then. This way. Oh! Fuck you, boy. Ooh! Oh. Hey! Oh shit. Jump. What's the next one? The Express Owls? Hold on. Who's coming to the next guy then? 'Cause there's two more left. I have a feeling I'm gonna be one of the suspects, but who's gonna be the last one? So we have Monokuma, the conductor, the crows, and the express owls. That left, we need another key. Yeah, right that way. Go. gotta hear it. They've gotta at least hear her walking around. But no! Come on, I missed the elevator. Seriously though, they've got to at least hear her walking around. Hold on. Is that me? Is that Hackett? I'm concerned. What?
Gotcha!
The victim? But the victim's dead. So if they have this on display for me, obviously this one right here is supposed to be me. But we are out of time.
So, who done it?
We don't know.
Of course you don't know. You paced back and forth.
We couldn't find any conclusive evidence. We have no idea who murdered this owl.
What? So you've done pickle to solve the case? Who's the murderer? Which one of you did it?
Who's the murderer? Protect and conserve at all costs. You've got eyes everywhere, and we saw nothing. What you looking at me for, Peckneck? We can't do I want. I mean, the fact that this is the clear cardboard cutout. His name on. They're the only ones that.
The crows did it?
It's true.
Oh, what? Really?
Why? Why murder one of the express owls?
Look, there isn't a lot of bird-related crime going on. Us car agents were gonna be... You can't imagine how crammed it is for several dozen birds to live in a single one-room apartment. We needed some crime to solve in order to get paid. So we stabbed him with a rubber knife and left him for dead.
A rubber knife. Boy.
What's a what? Rubber knife?
A rubber knife? What? Gotta love this character.
Yeah, can I go now? I'm kind of sore from playing dead for so long. This rubber knife is also a bit uncomfortable.
Jesus, of course it's uncomfortable. It's straight through your abdomen. At least I think it is. Like, with that angle, it's gotta be coming out of your guts and at least going through a bit of your lungs. Jesus, dude.
Well, thanks for solving the murder, lassie. Not only did you reveal the murderer, you also revealed that the victim was never harmed.
Are you sure about that? He has a knife straight through his chest.
And you gave us intense footage for the movie.
Of course you're recording.
What? You think I'd let a murder happen on my Owl Express? Oh, think again. That was all just a setup for my newest Owl Express movie. Murder on the Owl Express. Oh, you think DJ Picnic will make a movie that's even remotely as good? Ha! I think not. Here, take this thingamajig and get out of here.
I love these people just ignore the fact that not only is it glowing and I mean, this thing shines like it's a fucking shooting star and it floats. They call it a thingamajig. Jump. Conductor. Pull your head out of your ass. Okay then. Oh, thank you! Oh, thank you! Okay. I might have a shot at this. This little witch has faith. Let's hear you real quick. Oh, that's close. Yes! Thank... Oh, thank fuck. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to make it past that. What? Oh! Hi! Yes! Come to Papa! Come to Papa! Come to Papa! Woo! Oh, fuck.
Want to swap out some of the music you hear in the different... Alright, tune in. Want to swap out some... Catch this one. This is the favorite...
Yeah. Let's get her throughout the shit. Alright, don't use. I like this dude. Oh shit, now what did it do? Well, I think we're gonna end the video there. Don't run into me, Roomba. This game is so much fun to play. I just hope the footage came through this time. If it didn't, I'm gonna be upset. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Smack the like button in your face. Stop running into me, Roomba. Yeah, ring the bell, subscribe, all that. And, well, I might do another video of this later. I have no idea, but... Roomba! Seriously! 3 times the past episode.